Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign in and verify your plan covers transcription so you don't hit limits. Once signed in, prepare a clean MP3 or WAV file with clear speech and minimal noise that improves accuracy. Now click Upload, select the file, choose the spoken language and number of speakers. Those choices guide the engine. You're taking the first actionable steps that directly affect result quality, so set them deliberately before pressing Start. Once Trint processes the audio, you'll see the transcript and a progress indicator. Monitor it so you know when to edit. Use the automated editor to search phrases, split long segments, and merge short ones. Those edits improve readability and export quality. Make inline corrections where words are wrong, then add speaker labels and tune timestamps so timestamps match the recording. These middle steps transform raw output into usable content quickly. Now finalize by exporting in the format you need: Word for edits, SRT for captions, CSV for analysis, and pick timecode settings. After export, review the file once. Keep the original audio handy in case you need to check unclear passages. If accuracy is poor, try reprocessing a cleaned-up audio file, change speaker count, or manually correct segments before exporting again. If problems persist, contact Trint support with a timestamped example so you get targeted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.